Recently, I've been in conversation with a lot of parents of adult children. What we talked about is eye-opening. These heart-to-heart conversations came from a vulnerable place within each parent. What they shared was real, raw, and deeply touching. It's inspiring to hear how their relationship with their children, now adults, transformed from childhood to adulthood, and how they've dealt with resulting life issues and relational challenges. It's interesting to realize that while life and personalities vary, common threads run through the tapestry of parent-child relationships. The weaving of this beautiful piece begins from before birth to our last breath, and is created ongoing along with some nodding. Sometimes we have to begin a section again in certain places to try to make it right. Maybe the tapestry remains unfinished, rough edges and all. In this video, I'm going to lead out this conversation about the uncertainties and inherent challenges fueled by the ever-evolving nature of parent-child relationships. If you're looking for encouragement and biblically based strategies and solutions for a parent-child relationship as a parent, or from the relational perspective of an adult child, this video is for you. Welcome. While there are uncertainties that spill over into all relationships, let's begin this conversation with the things that we can be certain of, what parents want their adult children to know. This list includes many things, but it's by no means an exhaustive list. I'm presenting it as a place to begin our conversation. And here are some important things parents of adult children want their children to know. They are loved and supported. No matter what happens, parents will always love their children unconditionally. They want their adult children to know they can always come to them for support, no matter what. Some parents may not show this outright, but maybe that conversation just needs to get started. They are proud of their adult children's accomplishments. They want their children to feel confident and capable, knowing they have their parents' support. Parents are often their biggest cheerleaders. Parents want their adult children to be independent and able to take care of themselves. They want their children to make decisions and live their own lives. Parents want their adult children to be happy. They want their children to find their passion in life and pursue it. They want their children to be surrounded by people who love and support them. In addition to these important things, parents may also want their adult children to know things about their own lives, such as their personal hopes, dreams, regrets, lessons learned. They may want to share their own experiences with their adult children with the hope of helping them make better decisions in life. Sometimes we may not be sure if we should, but if it's helpful, not hurtful, we may be glad at some future point that we shared about it. If you are uncertain about telling your children about something, seek first what God has to say about it. Pray to Him for His clarity and direction in this and in all matters. See Psalm 25:4. Ultimately, what parents want most for their children, their adult children, is to be happy, successful, living fulfilled, God-honoring lives. They want them to find their way in the world and have an abundantly blessed life filled with joy and peace and love. And parents of adult children continue to hope so many things for their children. Here are a few more things many parents also want their adult children to know. Be in touch with us. Don't be afraid to ask for help. If you're struggling, don't be afraid to ask your parents to help. They may be able to offer you advice, support, or much needed listening ear. We're here for you, and we want to hear from you. Value us and our relationship for who we are in it. Money is not always the answer. It is not always available to give. Money is not a love language. So inability to give or continue to give or give more doesn't indicate how much a child is loved. Nurturing and truly loving a child is absolutely priceless. Communicate with us. Let us know what's going on in your life. We want to be a part of it. Keep us in the loop, even if from a distance, especially when we don't live nearby. Let's find a way to do this regularly. Forgive us. We're not perfect parents. No one is. No doubt we've made mistakes. If we've hurt you, please forgive us. Let's talk about it when you're ready. We love you and want you to have a good relationship with us, and we want to have a good relationship with you. Cherish all of your relationships. Your family and friends are important. Make time for all of us. and show how much you care. We want to spend time with you. Please don't put off our time. Who knows what tomorrow may bring? Live your life to the fullest. Don't be afraid to follow your dreams. When you have an opportunity to do something amazing, take it. We want you to be happy and live a wonderful life. Some adult children or parents may say, this is a nice list, but I don't see us anywhere on it. So add your thoughts onto this list in your heart. Relationships, people, and life experiences vary. God made each of us to be unique, and He blessed us all very differently. And in those differences, we may find relationships to be more challenging. But it doesn't mean there is no caring or love in it. People show or don't their emotions differently. For the purposes of this video, we are narrowly focusing on parent-child relationships that may have issues or not. But we are not addressing issues directly here. That discussion will be in a future video in this series. I hope this video encourages you. Be sure to hug the subscribe button if not already subscribed to this channel. Turn on notifications so you won't miss the next drop in this series, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for joining me here.